I want to thank all that are with us today. I did want to tell our viewers that this is a virtual press conference, so the press are not in this room. We limited it to 10 people maximum in this room, and as you can see, we are all trying to keep our social distance from each other. So with that being said, we're going to start the questioning from our media. I'm going to give each media a chance to ask a question, and then we'll just kind of open up for general questions after the first round. So I'd like to start with the Erie Times News. If you could identify who is asking the question, we'd appreciate that.
Sure thing, Kathy. It's David Bruce from the Erie Times. I'd like to ask Melissa a little bit more about the mistakes that were made with the process with the first person in the county with COVID-19. How many? Is there an estimate on how many folks were exposed due to that? And then also, what has happened with the medical professionals that were exposed?
So David, I appreciate your question, and at this time we're still gathering that information. As I had indicated, we are very much professionals around our disease collection methods and are in collecting that information. And so, to be honest with you, I don't have exact numbers. We've been following up with all of those that we believe may have been exposed to the virus. And then the great news is we're getting to them early, and then we're giving them the appropriate recommendations, such as quarantining themselves for the 14 days and monitoring their symptoms. And we'll continue to do that. But without knowing those numbers, I can't release those at this time.
And can you get into what mistakes were made specifically?
Related to not using proper technique, it had to do with some personal protective equipment not being utilized, and as well as some distancing from the individual when they presented at the place of collection.
All right, thank you, David. Now I'd like to ask Erie News Now, and please identify who's speaking.
Kathy, this is Paul Wagner from Erie News Now. I also wanted to ask about that first positive case, asked Melissa. The person was not informed that they should have been quarantined. Any idea how long that time period was when that person was out in the community, how many people they may have contacted?
Sure. So to our knowledge, the individual was not notified that they should self-quarantine until the results returned from the COVID-19 testing. We believe the individual, for the information that we've collected, remained home for a number of days while they were symptomatic and did not move into the community until they began to feel better. The number of people we are tracking down still and having communication with them about the next measures they need to take to protect themselves, their family, and their loved ones.